So today we're going to talk about astronauts. Astronauts are people who go into space. Okay, astronauts are people who travel into space. Astronauts go into space to do scientific research. That means learn about things that are in space. And they also go to repair spacecrafts in case they broke down or that something's broken. Astronauts also have been into space to explore the moon. In space, astronauts wear special suits to protect them from the cold and the dangerous rays. Okay, the first ape, they sent in a little monkey-like ape animal into space, and his name was Ham the chimpanzee. He was the first ape in space. One of the first animals in space was a dog called Laika. Since then, lots of animals have traveled to space. Who landed on the moon first? 2 men from America were the first to step on the moon in July of 1969. They were Neil Armstrong and Edwin Buzz Aldrin. Neil Armstrong stepped onto the moon first, followed by Aldrin. Astronaut games. Astronauts have been driving a special buggy, taking photographs, and even played golf on the moon. How much do you weigh on the moon? Well, on the moon you would weigh less. The moon is smaller and lighter than Earth, so gravity is much weaker. On the moon, you weigh about 6 times less than you would on Earth. Imagine how far and high you could jump. Okay, ready? True or false? These are there are footprints and marks on the moon. Do you think that's true? Do you think there are still footprints on the moon's surface? Think about it. Did you think about it? Yes or no? The answer is yes, that's true. There are astronaut footprints on the surface of the moon. There are also tire marks made by the rovers and a special moon buggy. There is no wind to blow the prints away. So there isn't any wind, okay, on the moon, and so the footprints would not get blown away. They would just stay there. And they're still there unless something bumps it. And that is our little story about astronauts. Do you want to be an astronaut?